I haven't signed it. I have very clear knowledge of the compassionate use of marijuana because I'm a glaucoma patient. Katulad ng nanay ko, katulad ng side ng nanay ko, lahat kami may tama sa mata. So, noon pa, ilang dekada na, talagang prescribe ng doktor yan para sa may glaucoma. Yun yung mga medical purpose. Kaya lang, binabasa ko yung bill, gusto ko mas mahigpit kung sino yung authority. Sino talaga mamamahala, hindi masyadong maliwanag sa akin. Ikalawa, nakita natin sa iba't ibang bansa, sa US, sa iba't ibang states, tapos ngayon yung recent na tinitingnan natin, yung Thailand. Sasabihin nila, medical use lamang. Pero dun sa enforcement, sa implementation, imposibleng gawin. Kasi may mahahanap at may mahahanap talaga na dahilan. Kesa may back pain, kesa may kung ano-anong problema, maraming sinasabi. Kaya't palagay ko okay, pero detalyahin pa natin ang todo-todo para mahigpit na mahigpit siya. Kasi hindi klaro sa akin kung sino ang mamamahala, sino magpaparusa, sinong huhuli, sino magde-determine kung talagang medical, ano yung gagawin pag nahuling hindi pala medical. Ang hirap kasi ng enforcement niyan nakita ko na.
So dun sa bill, ma'am, wala yun? Hindi klaro?
Parang it's not clear to me kasi who's the one in charge. And the enforcement aspect, I also need to see because it has repeatedly failed in many, many jurisdictions. What has failed is the limitation to medical use. Sasabihin medical use, pero sa bandang uli, nagagamit sa recreational at iba't iba pang use. So regulation and control, dapat bantayan. Marami naman nating fake ID, alam na natin yan. Napakadali kumuha ng PWD, o di sabihin mo, chronic pain. Natatakot ako So dapat higpitan natin. Lagyan natin ng pangil konti.
Follow up.
Kasi wag natin kalimutan, marami ring doktor na nagsasabi gateway drug yan sa dangerous drugs. Hindi ko alam, ang sa akin lang personal as a glaucoma patient, I find that I appreciate the intent, particularly the compassionate use of marijuana, but at the same time, I would like to see very, very clear lines of control and regulation, as well as a mechanism for genuine enforcement, which has impeded the implementation of this law in many, many jurisdictions, some much better managed than ours.